Hello guys, I'm Saeed Hassan. Today I'm going to tell you about something really special. This is the English version that in this video I'm going to tell you about a very famous software used for research that is known as smartpls. Okay, let me tell you that in this video I'm going to tell you about how you can download this software for free and how you can put data in it and how you can operate it. So this video is going to be very important for you all guys who are currently studying in graduate level and master's level and doing their research, and they are writing their research paper. So this video is very helpful for those people. So I'm currently on smartpls website. I've just written on my Google that smartpls. So I'm currently on smartpls website. So just I don't need this newsletter, so I'm skipping it. And you can see that this is a very responsive website. They have so much tutorials over here, and you can see that there are tons of data about research. You can study on your own. So this video is also very helpful that you can get so much information regarding this. On this website, basically you would get that start your free trial, or I've clicked on it, and you can see that a pop-up has been appeared that saying that you can enter your email. I've entered my email over here, and they are confirming that your trial period has started. So I'm going to check it right now, and they have sent me an email regarding this that I can check it in my browser. So I'm going to log in my Gmail account right now. Currently it would take some time, so let me check that what's it saying. Let's read it out. It's saying that please confirm your email. I've already entered my email over here, and it's also saying that you can check your email in your inbox and bulk and junk folder as well. So I'm checking it right now. So I'm going to log in my Gmail account. So I will go towards Google and log in my Gmail account. Here it is. I'm going to log in my Gmail. It would take some time. It's going to be loaded. Let me check that I have got an email from sales, though what it says, let me have a look at it. It's saying that your purchase has been completed, and this purchase has been completed for free. So I'm going to verify my email, and it's saying that thanks, your email has been verified, and we have registered your free trial request as well. Guys, let me tell you that on first time when you start on your laptop, it would give you 30 days free trial for free. It would not cost you any penny, any money for this. This is a blessing for these students who cannot afford to pay. So I'm following these steps. These all steps are written in email, so you have to read the instructions carefully and follow them. It's saying that it has sent me a link, and I'm going to download it from there. You can also see that on this website it's telling about your system, that what system, laptop or computer you are using. It's saying that Mac OS you're using, or you're using Windows. So let me tell you that I'm going to tell you about how you can check your system. It is a Mac, or it is 64-bit or 32-bit. Mine is 64-bit. Okay, all right. You can go to your property, and you can see that it's 64-bit operating system is written over here. You can see in your properties. I've just check the on this PC. In some laptops it is on this PC, and sometimes it is written on my computer icon. You have to right click, and you can get these information over there. All right. So its download has been started, so it would be downloaded easily, and I'm following these steps. So hold on for a while. All right, these follow these steps, it would be downloaded easily. So I'm going to tell you about something that I've received an email, and there is a key over there, and we are going to use it from there. It would take some time, and sometimes if you have a good internet connection, it would be downloaded fast. So my internet is working very good, so it would be downloaded easily over here. So I would tell you something about my channel as well. I'm running a YouTube channel known as Marketing Buzz by Saeed Hassan. Currently, I'm residing in Islamabad. So I'm going to, in the meanwhile, the software is downloading. So I'm going to tell you about the intro. So this is my channel, and you can see that Pakistan has one Indian from India. This is the recent information you can see on YouTube as well. It's saying that ICC 2021 T20 match has been won by Pakistan. So I congratulate you all Pakistanis about that as well. These are the information. Pakistan ki tarikhi fatah. Okay, all right. This is the English version. So I'm going to let you know about my playlist, that the channel I am running currently. This is my playlist. Basically, we are also doing some marketing of real estate sector, and also I'm making these videos to let people know that what we are selling and what we have right now for their offers. So this video is pertaining to basically my education work. Research is also my passion also, so that I make some research video as well. So you can see that my marketing videos are also there over. You can also follow me, and you can also follow my research videos as well. These are my research videos which I've made for you people. Hopefully this would benefit you people. So I'm going to let you know about my research videos. These are very important videos. 20 marketing topics, how to download paper. You can get information regarding this in this particular video, that is 20 marketing topics over here. That is very good video. That lady is 20 marketing topics for internet marketing. This is very important video. In this video I have told you people that I have explained how to download a paper for free, research paper, latest research paper, how to download them and how to read them, and how to make a theoretical contribution in the extant literature as well. So these are also some videos I have made regarding SPSS working, and how to put data in SPSS. These are also very important video. This is 11 minute and 33-second video. This is also important. I have explained it, and this is the recent video which shows that how you can download SPSS software for free. Then the 5-minute 18-second video, how you can put data in SPSS as well. These videos tell and how to make instrument regarding that is the question paper for the research. If you are doing a research and writing a research paper, basically the questionnaire is known as an instrument. An instrument is given at the end of, mostly at the end of the research papers, and sometimes in some research papers it is given in between. So you can download these and you can make your own instrument following these steps. So I have also told in explained these in my videos as well. So it has been downloaded, and you can see that congratulations, we have downloaded. It's going to preparing to be installed. I'm going to click. I have clicked on it. You can see that it has been downloaded, and these are the simple steps you are going to follow. We have downloaded it free of cost. We have not cost any penny, and you have to do some steps that but you can read. You firstly you should read that what computer is asking, and you do some research work as well, and you follow that next steps, and software is downloaded if you are handy using computer. These are the very important and useful steps you can make. So guys, we have downloaded this software for free. You can see that it's totally free. We have downloaded, and let me tell you that this is the information we have. It's taking some time and it's copying some files. It would take 1 to 2 minutes. Congratulations, it has been completed, and it's asking that should I make a launch it or make a, it has been downloaded and it has make a shortcut over here on desktop as well. So in I also would give you that it has been downloaded, and I would enter the key we have in our email so that the working can be checked. This is the software I've opened, that it give you some information, that student version, professional version, and server license key. We are going to enter. This is the license key I have received in email, and I am going to enter it. And you can see that the software do not work without this license key. So firstly, I am going to let you know about this interface, and I'm going to reopen it again so that you can check how to operate, because it's a new software. You would get to know that there are three versions, that is student version, professional version, and that is professional server version. So server version we do not need. Student version, I'm going to check you firstly that how it works. It's a limited features. It give you only 100 observations when you are doing a research. It only allows you 100 observations to customize, and so it's a demo version. You can use it for free without, if you do not have any license key, then you can use it for the sake of learning this software. You can use it, but we do need for full-fledged professional version over here. So I'm going to enter this free key over here in professional version so that you can check that its software is working for free. If you check that if you do not have a key, this software would not work. So its key is very important. So yeah, I am going to over copy over this key and going to all features. I'm going to enter this license key over here, and you can see that whenever I have this license, and I'm going to I've submitted it, and it's saying that request trial license from licensor may take up to 30 seconds. It's going to verify that key where I have received. So congratulations, your license is valid. It's saying that smartpls 30-day trial license, and it expires in 31 days. So I'm going to check you that we have installed our software so it would work. All right, thank you very much.